happy bald man right now. Oh, make me happier. Come on. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Oh, hello, good looking little fish. If you aren't one of the best looking fishes I've seen in a long time, huh? Can we get some of those W's up in this chat? Because that's what we are today, guys. We are a chat, a stream full of absolute winners. Now you don't want to delay us until spin 2-3 before you show up. You could show up in the very start. If you show up on spin number 3, I will let you travel to Germany for a weekend with Parn. You will be living on a spa hotel. Everything included. If you land on the next spin now. One more now. 111, that's insane. Do it now for Parn. Parn, you get a double date! Parn is gonna have a... Thank God I stopped myself, but that's insane! Come on, man! Baby! Parn is having a double date, that's confirmed. That's so fucking mental, it happened also! I'm booking the tickets after the stream, Fisherman. How does it feel for you, Parn? Are you excited? I told you Big Best Blizzard, you did. Parn is gonna get that fish. Nah, man! Oh! Stop it now. Now we don't more. It was only okay when I did it, obviously. 30. That needs to be a clip also, by the way. I'm gonna upload that shorts on YouTube. I'm gonna make that for a forever moment. That's insanely nice. Sorry for breaking your headphones. I didn't see. Look at this. 18 more euro to make us 100x. And one more fisherman. One more. Men kom igen då för fan. Yes. You thought we were done. The fisherman says no and gives us 120 euro. I'm gonna cover my mouth. I just see the clock is almost 10. If I win big, I have neighbors. I have neighbors and I have respect. Am I gonna have to bait you again? With another week? Thought so. Oh, whale! Boom! Oh, jävlar, what a fucking spin! Come on, baby! Come on! 500 more euro into the bank. It's so... I don't know what's going on today. Apparently, I'm the boy with the golden pants, guys. If there is anyone that wants to take lessons from me, I am now gonna become a teacher after this. To start an academy of how to rob casinos. Like a bald man with a beard and a plan. One more! Ah! Ah! Ah!